Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I just wanted to give you a very quick 20-month update on my DIY Microlocs. Before I go into this video, I want to use this opportunity to say a very big thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you so much for all my new subbies. I see you all. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for your encouragement. And just keep them coming, okay? For those who don't know, I installed my Microlocs by myself 20 months ago. I have been maintaining my locks by myself, doing my retights, and basically anything related to grooming my locks all by myself. What I wanted to share with you guys today is just really the progress of my locks in general. In my last video, I gave you some tips on how to avoid a few issues with your hair. Now, since that video, I've literally had zero problems with my locks. My locks has gotten to a point where it's pretty much just get up and go. If I put a style in, I could leave that style in for about a week, and all I have to do is just wake up in the morning, have a shower, and just spray my hair with some rose water as well as some castor oil, rub it in, and that's it. That's me done for the next 2-3 days. My lock journey has been absolutely amazing and I'm having very little problems with it. One of the issues I discussed in my previous video was unraveling. I still band and braid my hair every time I wash it every 2 weeks, but I don't have any unraveling issues anymore. At least I don't notice them anymore. I feel as though my lock has gotten to the point where it's fully matured, but I'm still too scared to stop banding and braiding. So maybe by the time I'm 2 years into this journey, I will stop banding and braiding. But for now, I'm quite happy doing it because I don't want to have any issues with it, right? I've also not been having any lint or build-up in my hair. So one of the issues I used to have was lint from scarves and from pillowcases. But once I clocked onto that, I make sure that every time I'm wearing clothes that are a bit woolly, I have like silk scarves wrapped around my neck. And also I make sure I sleep with my silk hair bonnet as well as my silk pillowcases, just to avoid any stories. I do not want to deal with lint because it's so difficult to get it out of your hair. And sometimes when you use tweezers to get the lint out of your hair, you end up damaging your locks as well if it's not been done by a professional. One of the issues I've been having in recent months is holes in my locks. Now, I know why I have those holes. It's mostly because the last time that I repaired my unraveling, I didn't complete the repair. Where the locked hair met the repaired lock, there was a little bit of gap there and that resulted in a hole. But then I have repaired most of them and there weren't that many anyway. So that's just one thing to be aware of. If you're going to be repairing your unraveling, make sure that you don't leave any holes behind because you will have problems later on. I still retight my hair every 5 to 6 weeks. I try to make sure I don't go past 6 weeks because if I go past 6 weeks, I have so much undergrowth and then also the locks start to join at the root and then I have to pull them apart and I don't like doing that. So I try to make sure I don't go past the 6 weeks mark. At the moment, I'm currently between 5 to 6 weeks. So as you can see, you can't see any lines. The hair looks like there's quite a bit of growth that needs to be fixed, but because of the Christmas holidays, I really can't be bothered. I think I might just go a couple more days and then I'll have a retie, but I'm really due one at the moment. The other thing is my ponytail game. Guys, I don't have a full ponytail yet, but I think I'm on the way. At the moment, it's still what I call a struggle ponytail. So maybe in the next 4 months or so, I should be having a proper ponytail. I've experienced so much growth in the past couple of months. And even now, when my hair touches my neck, I always wonder, what's that? What's that? My hair is almost touching my shoulders, as you can see. So I'm really excited about that. Before I end this video, I want to give you guys a 360 of my locks. So this is the front view. This is the front. I've got some barrel twist in front and I didn't take those out, so you can't really see the hair, but again, you can get an idea of what it looks like. And then this is what the left view looks like. As you can see, it's covering my ears completely. This is the back. And this is the side view. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video. If you have any questions, make sure you drop a comment below and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much and lots of love.